Flexpilot AI just launched, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. If you're considering integrating AI into your digital marketing or business processes, stick around because you'll want to hear all of this, especially if you're new to Flexpilot. Now, Flexpilot AI is revolutionizing how businesses approach automation. It's an incredibly versatile tool designed to simplify digital marketing tasks, from campaign optimization to lead generation. But is it worth your time? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Flexpilot AI is the right fit for your business. First off, Flexpilot AI is packed with advanced machine learning capabilities that can take your advertising game to the next level. The software focuses on optimizing ad campaigns with minimal input, which is perfect for marketers who want to automate time-consuming tasks while getting the best performance possible. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or other platforms, Flexpilot AI can help you streamline everything. What really sets Flexpilot AI apart is its ability to continuously learn and adapt. It's not just a set it and forget it tool. Flexpilot analyzes your data, tests multiple strategies, and improves over time. This means your campaigns get smarter and more cost-effective as the AI collects more information and optimizes your results. Another game-changing feature is Flexpilot's ability to integrate seamlessly with various platforms and CRMs. It doesn't matter which tools you're already using. Flexpilot AI syncs with your existing setup without a hitch. This is especially valuable for small businesses that want an easy-to-use tool that fits within their current tech stack. Flexpilot's reporting system is one of the most comprehensive I've seen. You get clear, real-time insights that are easy to interpret, making it easier to make informed decisions. This is a huge advantage for marketers who are constantly analyzing performance and looking for ways to optimize. But here's the best part. Flexpilot AI is beginner-friendly. Even if you're not a tech expert or seasoned marketer, you won't feel overwhelmed. The interface is intuitive, and setting up campaigns is as simple as a few clicks. Flexpilot does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on strategy and creative work. Now, let's talk about pricing. Flexpilot AI offers a free trial, so you can test the platform without committing any resources upfront. This makes it easier for newcomers to experiment and see firsthand if the tool meets their needs. If you're looking for something affordable that doesn't sacrifice quality, Flexpilot might be a solid choice. Lastly, I want to mention the customer support. Flexpilot AI offers robust support, including tutorials, guides, and live chat. So if you run into any issues, there's help available. This level of customer service is a big plus, especially for people new to AI-driven marketing tools. Before I wrap up, don't forget, you can try Flexpilot AI for free through the first link in the description. It's a risk-free way to explore what it can do for your business. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and Flexpilot is definitely one of the more promising ones. If you're interested in other great AI tools, check out the description for my top recommendations. These are the ones I trust after using countless platforms. Make sure to subscribe for more AI software reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.